Hey guys, Carl Schickert back again. Hopefully you've been on these trainings so far. I'm pretty deep into them at this point, but I do want to mention, if you're just finding this video right now, you're interested in NFTs, but you know nothing about it, you're a complete noob, go watch the beginning one and go through the whole section of each of these video trainings. I've kept them short, sweet, concise, to the point, so that way you get the information, you get the knowledge, and you can duplicate it right away. I also want to put the disclaimer out there that, look, I'm an idiot, I'm a dork, I like this stuff, I've got a problem with it. What I mean by that is I'm obsessed with it, and you gotta be kind of careful with that stuff. There's a lot of misinformation out there going on. There's a lot of scams going on out there. I wanna try to help you with that, but I also wanna let you know that this is novelty. I'm not a financial advisor, and that the information I'm gonna be providing to you is do your own research and never invest or never spend or buy something more than you can afford to lose, because this could be tulip mania. You could lose it all. So I'm saying just be very careful with what you do, and any information that I give you is novelty and entertainment purposes only. I also want to mention one last thing before we get into this training. And in this training, I don't think I mentioned it, is going to be other secondary markets. I talked about the two sort of largest ones, but I want to mention that there's a lot of other ones. I'm going to talk about some of them that I'm involved with. I'll talk about some that I'm not involved with, may be in the future, and there's going to be more. It's continuing to expand and really blow up. But I want to sort of just share the knowledge with you on what's out there currently during this training. And like as time goes on, we'll probably expand this video series as well. And so that's what we're going to talk about. And also, if you like the content so far, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit the notification bell and share it, okay? If you like this and you think this is gonna help other people, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter. Just grab the little share link somewhere there, go to Twitter, say, hey man, this guy is friggin' awesome. Hopefully you think I'm awesome, maybe not. This guy is a friggin' nerd. He's the biggest dork I've ever seen. He doesn't know what the hell he's talking about, but his videos are good. So, then put that out there and make sure that you do share the knowledge. I would really appreciate that. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started. We'll see you on the inside, or over my shoulder anyway. We'll see you over my shoulder on my screen. Okay, so what we're going to do is jump into these other secondary markets that are available. I'm only focusing on the Solana ones. I know on OpenSea we talked about the ETH ones, so you want to watch those videos, or that video if you want. Mainly for ETH so far, I'm mainly only using OpenSea, but I did see that Coinbase is coming out with their own NFT market, and so has already Binance. So Binance is going to be using the Binance Smart Chain token mainly, I think. And also I'm not sure if it's available in the US, so to keep that in mind. But for this, we're just going to be focusing on the Solana ones that I've used and how they work, and also what to be careful for, okay? Just like I said in any of my other videos, I'm showing you guys the pitfalls that you want to watch out for, so that way these things don't happen to you. I learned the hard way. It was a trial by fire, but now I know. Now you can learn through my mistakes, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the first one. The first one's called SolC, okay? It's all Solana stuff, all right? And you can look, it's not necessarily things that are available on any other market, right? Because like some are, okay? Like these right here, the Meerkat Millionaire Country Club, that is available on the Solana Art website. So some of them are, and you can see they have a little checkbox, and that little checkbox is supposed to mean that they are a verified collection, okay? And that's the thing you want to be careful for. You go to collections and see they got a little toggle. Now, when I first started using this, they didn't have that toggle there, and that messed me up. I ended up buying some that I ended up losing money on, okay? And so I kind of got screwed on those. I'm now stuck with them for whatever reason, okay? I also bought a rug pull that I'm stuck with the NFT. They somehow still minted it to people, but they pulled the rug and ditched the whole thing, even though they made money. So it's kind of sad that sometimes you get caught up in those. Like I said, you want to do your due diligence, and you want to make sure that you watch my research video on making sure that you're researching. But mainly, let's see if I can find some that, like this one right here, okay? No verification. They've got 7 listed. This was probably for some other launch. they're not showing crazy prices. The other one I did, it showed crazy high prices except for one, so it totally made me think it was real when I saw it. Okay, and so there they are loading. So there's a good chance that this is not real. Okay, there's a good chance it could be real, and they need to still get verified, but they're not. So now if I click on it, like say I want to decide I was going to buy this, now they're doing this. Before they never did this. So now they're at least giving you a little more indication that, hey, this is an unverified NFT. Be careful if you purchase it, okay? The best thing to do is to go here and make sure this verified thing is clicked on, and that way you can at least see what's available in here to buy. The other thing is if you connect your wallet, you can just easily set up sells as well, but I'm not really using this for that. The other one I want to show you guys is FTX, because FTX is a big crypto marketplace that is coming out, and they're scaling fast. Like this one is becoming big. For whatever reason, it's not showing us the collection here, but I can show you the fancy Frenchy collection in here. Let's let it load up. Seem to be having some pretty slow internet today. It always happens when you have to record, right, folks? All right, so those are loading up now. I almost kind of want to go to the next one. I won't. I'll wait. I hope. I'm not very patient. Okay. And I didn't want to spend too much time on FTX because I don't have an account with them anyway. But I see that I might get one in the future. Okay. They're not really set up very well. They have a sorting guide here, like low to high. I think that's probably the best way to sort because then you see the floor. And so supposedly, that's on the second side. Supposedly the floor is this 1.889. Now I would make this clickable if I was them. They have a total of 74 and 8 open auctions, so they have some auctions. There could be some arbitrage opportunity here where you can buy them on Solana Art and then move them over here and make like one Solana for every single one you sell. And if you sell one a day, it's like $150 profit. So that's potential, but I don't think they have a lot of volume here yet. Okay. The next one is Digitalize, and it's a pretty good one, but they do charge you for listing every single time, and that's super annoying. So let's see if I connect a wallet, because I think I have a couple of things for sale, and there's some interesting things that I will talk to you guys about that basically happened, again, trial by fire, but also some things that sort of happened that were good, even though it was kind of a bad thing. Okay. It actually made me part of groups and stuff like that I wouldn't have been a part of if I didn't purchase that particular NFT, which was interesting. So I don't know if I have anything connected to this. Yeah, I do. So I have these ones connected, and I have this one for sale. Okay. But you can see if I wanted to sell any of these, I could just click one of these and try to sell them here. You can see only one is verified. These ones aren't verified yet. This one's not verified yet either. It was almost kind of a rug pull, but what happened was the guy that developed it said, you know what, I'm going to make this a better project. It didn't happen as well. Let's just take care of each other in the Discord channel. And now it's like a club because we bought into it. And now he's going to make it even cooler. So long-term kind of thing, it could end up being worth a lot, which is cool. But anyways, this is on the sell FAQs. You can also search through here, just go to here and then, or search up here, for something. So I could do, these sold bananas. Like I'd bought these and sold them and flipped them pretty fast for like a 3x profit. They were cheap anyway because it was a launch that just wasn't doing that well, but I just kind of FOMO'd in, and then I ended up selling them for like 3x when they came out. And I just want to see, they have volume, right? They're selling them 0.15. They're selling a little less. I think I sold mine for 0.22 and I bought them for 0.1. So maybe it was actually about a 2x for me on that one. Anyway, that's pretty much how that one works. I don't really like it because they charge you, that last one, they charge you 0.1 Solana for listing, okay? And that really ticked me off. I like Magic Eden a lot. This is actually a really, really cool one that's up and coming. Same kind of thing though. You want to be careful because people can list stuff. But I can go here and hit connect, hit sell. And I might have to change my wallet. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Just let that load up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change my wallet. Let's see, listed items. Yeah, nothing, no offers. And you could see like unverified, right? They have verified listing as Fancy Frenchies if I wanted to sell that one. But let's go up to let's go up to the Phantom wallet again, and let's see if I can. It's not going to show me because it's holding in here, but I think if I go to selling, it's going to show them in here. So I have to disconnect the wallet. Let's try to reconnect again. You got to hit connect there. There we go. So these, nope, these aren't for sale yet because they're not verified yet. It's a different listing, but these are. These are two of them that I'm trying to sell right now. Would be just a small profit on these, not huge, but I just wanted to liquidate and have like more liquidity in my Phantom wallet if need be. So that's why I put them for sale. This one I might take back off because they've got future things that they're working on. Their Discord is pretty active. These not the Soul Bunnies. The Soul Bunnies are all right, but I mean the mechs of Solana. Open that one up as well. And so you could see the cool thing about this. I could see the floor. If I really needed to sell this off, I could at 0.13 or 0.15, right around there, probably pretty fast if I wanted to, because mine has some rarity. If I wanted to, let's go to the other one. This one's kind of cool because I think they're doing a game and stuff. It's got more of a long-term plan, and the price is pretty low. I'm not really making any money. I'm pretty much breaking even if I sold this one, which kind of goes against my principles, right? I want to hold it and sell it. I'll probably take it off, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second here. So I'm going to take this one off. Very slow. Okay, so it's 0.44. It's been between 0.44 and 0.55 all day when I've been watching it. But the cool thing is you can see these look cool. They're coming out with like 3D ones here very soon, and that's kind of what excites me about it. And I think mine's 0.65. See how they have like different color arms? It's like they've been beat in battle or something like that. This one's actually the one I own. Yeah, it's this one right here. So you can see I've got it in there for 0.65. It's the lowest priced one that's not looking like it's wrecked, like it'd been wrecked before. So to me, it's like all matching, looks really good. It's got a lot of weaponry connected to it. An extra gun right here, it looks like. But the arms are the same colors. They're not mix match, like they came off different pieces. And to me, it's probably even more valuable than most of these so far. Like I got to find whatever the next one that isn't mix matched if I wanted to try to sell it. So here's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on here so you guys can see how this works. And give it a second. You can see the price has gone up from 59 to 69. I'm going to cancel. There's not a way to change pricing, I don't think. So actually, I'm even selling this one for less than I bought. I bought it for 69. So that's kind of going against my rule, right? Someone listed it for 59. Someone bought it, and someone increased the price. I bought it, and now I'm trying to sell it for a little less because I was just trying to get rid of it for another launch. But I'm gonna go ahead and cancel the listing. And this is something else that happens while that's doing that. Something else that happens is people what they call paper hand when a launch happens. They paper hand and they try to sell it for less, and that's not good because then other people think the value of it is less. The perceived value goes down. My perceived value on this is a little bit higher than what they're selling for. It just depends on the developer if they continue to develop on it. They have another drop coming with it, so I might just hold it off because if I'm trying to sell it, I might not get that drop that comes out. So I might hold off from selling it until I get that drop because then it gives me 2 NFTs that I could potentially sell for more later on. And so I'm going to go ahead and just keep that off and leave it on there for now. I could show you though if I want to sell it, I would just hit sell, and then I would change the pricing right here. Okay, I would change the pricing and then I'd list, and it would take it off. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead. I just canceled it. I don't want to sell it at this point. I'll just keep it for what I was trying to sell it for anyway. And that's it. These are the main ones. There are other ones out there, of course. Okay, someone might say, well, what about this one or that one or whatever? There are some good ones. I like Magic Eden a lot, and I like SolanaArt.io a lot. I think they both are doing a great job. The other ones I showed you, maybe up and coming. The Soul C might be up and coming. FTX, you know, that's cool. Might be a cool place to do arbitrage. You buy one here for cheaper, you put it on there, and you sell it for more. That could be quick flips that you could do. But that's it. I mean, that's really it on that. I hope you guys are enjoying these trainings so far. I always leave you with the reciprocity question. If you got value out of this, don't you think it value other people? Not only that, but I'm hooking you up with the information for free. So all you got to do is share it with your friends, family, and loved ones. Grab the link from YouTube, or just click on the YouTube share buttons that are usually on the bottom right hand side. You can find those there. Also, be sure to like this, be sure to share this, be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And also, we're going to have a Discord channel. If it's not there already, check back often. And also comment below if you dug this one and it's helped you tons and tremendously, and potentially even saved you money from getting scammed in the future. And hopefully, I want to hear your guys' wins too. So let me know about your wins. Definitely do that in the Discord channel, though. Let me know about your wins in the Discord channel, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one.